Welcome to 131 Juniper Ridge Drive. We're in Feeding Hills at the top of Liswell Hill. Come on in and see this gorgeous ranch. This is a one-of-a-kind custom-built ranch with over 2,000 square feet, and you don't want to miss this listing. Really tall ceilings. It's an open floor plan that leads to a beautiful kitchen with even eat-in breakfast nook space. The owner's done several updates throughout the years. This owner has taken care of this place. It is absolutely immaculate. You won't even notice. It looks like it's brand new. There's a brand new door in the front with beautiful side lights, plentiful windows throughout this home. There's a corner fireplace with marble surround, gas log fireplace. You're looking at 3-inch hardwood floors throughout the main living space. It really is very, very well kept. All the woodwork is in impeccable condition. You'll see the dining room. It's beautiful, floor-to-ceiling windows, which offers really nice high ceilings. There's crown molding. It's open to the kitchen with beautiful oak cabinetry, accented by stainless steel appliances. Beautiful granite countertops that are new. This is gas heat, central air. There's a pantry, and there's even a gas stove with 5 burners. It leads to a gorgeous Trex deck. The Trex deck is back to woods, and there is a ton of privacy. There's a patio, built-in benches, a fire pit, and some beautiful flowers and plantings, space for gardening. There's a newer tool shed for all storage that you may need. 2 bedrooms that have new carpeting in it. All the bedrooms are very spacious with double closet space. 2 full baths, and the master bath is to die for. Let's check out the master. The master actually has sitting room, palladium window, a walk-in closet that's grand, along with a double jacuzzi, shower, new quartz countertop. It's very, very inviting in here. There's a mudroom down here, and the mudroom has laundry area and leads to the huge oversized garage. And down the cellar, there's 11-foot tall walkout ceiling height. So if you wanted to do a family room downstairs, you could do it so easily there. So if you'd like to take a look at this beautiful home, give us a call at 860-618-6233 or check us out on our website at teamgabriel.net. You don't want to miss this one for sure.